Hi, for today's video is how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So it's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So you've finally done it. You've filmed and edited video that will put on internet, cut clips put together to shame. Now you're wondering if it's possible to encapsulate all that awesomeness in just one thumbnail design. What you want is something that will capture the full length of your video in one image and boost its clickability in one fell swoop. With Canva, you can enrich your chosen snapshot with text and design elements, or create a clean-cut thumbnail for a synchronized playlist or channel. With art tools, it's easy to navigate interface, and you can easily customize your YouTube thumbnail to the tune of instant virality. So let's go to the internet browser. So what you want to search is search YouTube thumbnail. Explore the templates. Need inspiration? Find music YouTube thumbnail templates, food YouTube thumbnail templates, beauty, travel, tutorial, and more. If you something you like, just click on the template to start the designing. So let's try this one. Enjoy the range of the features. Canva's library has millions of photos, icons, and illustrations to choose from. Use the animation feature to make your thumbnail stand out. Find a unique color schemes and font combination to suit your branding. You can customize your thumbnail. Get creative with your thumbnail. Upload your own image or artwork. Experiment with layout, rearrange ingredients, and mix any changes you see fit. Your design can be just as unique as you are. So, for example, let's change the color. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it on the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!